Let's look at this question. If x is a natural number and log of 1 by 2 to the base x is equal to minus 1 by 2, then the value of x is. Okay, so first we need to take care of the definition of log, which means that we need to look at number first and then at the base, because for a log to be defined, I need number to be positive. Also, its base should be positive, and it cannot be it cannot be equal to 1. Here, the number is constant and that is positive, so it is okay. Then we need to take care of the base of this log, right? This base has to be positive and this base cannot take a value of 1, right? Now, keeping this in mind, I need to simplify it further. So I can write this 1 by 2 as I can shift this base so that this base is raised to power 1 by 2 and I get 2. I can write it as 2 raised to the power minus 1 would be equal to x raised to the power minus 1 by 2. If I equate them, right? If I equate them, these powers, because these are negative powers, I can clearly cancel these powers. So I'm left with 2 is equal to x raised to the power 1 by 2, right? So if I square both the sides, if I square both the sides, if I square both the sides, I get the value of x as 4. I get the value of x as 4. So the value of x would be 4. So it's not about finding answer for these type of questions. The question that involve log, it is very important to look at the base and the number, right? And you need to be very careful about the definition of log. That to define a log, you need this number and this base to be positive, and base should not be equal to